Welcome to you all, the aspirant and curator of mathematics of 12th under CBSE board. Now I will disclose the solution of some based on application of derivative of some prominent questions. Here in this connection we will try to get a unique solution of question number 8, that is a spherical balloon is being pressurized by pressure pump and the rate of increase of volume of the spherical balloon, that is dV by dt, is equal to 900 centimeter cube per second, while the radius of the spherical balloon r is equal to 15 centimeter. Then we will have to find out the rate of increasing of the radius, that is dr by dt of the balloon. Its single condition. Hence we already know the volume of spherical balloon, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of a spherical balloon. Hence dV by dt, ddt of V is equal to dr of V into dr by dt, that is ddr of volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube into dr by dt. This is by chain rule. Actually this is dV by dt, this is V. So dV by dt, dr will be cancelled by chain rule. Hence we have ddt of V, and that is equal to 900 centimeter cube per second. 900 is equal to ddr of 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi, that is constant, and r cube, derivative of r cube means 3r square. 3r square into dr by dt. Now 900 3 by cancel by 3, 4 pi, r means 15 square into dr by dt. Now ultimately we have to find out the value of dr dt, that is the rate of increment of radius with respect to time. Hence we will have dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by 4 pi, and square of 15 is equal to 225. 4 times will become 900, and 4 cancel by 4, it will remain 1 upon pi centimeter per second. This is the requisite solution of the problem under question number 8 regarding to exercise 6.1. Now the question number 9 is the a spherical volume of the spherical volume, that is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and only radius has given, that is 10 centimeter, and we have to find out the rate of increase of volume with respect to time t, yani dV by dt. We will have to find out the dV by dt. It means dV by dt is equal to, with respect to r, we have to find out the rate of increment of volume with respect to radius. Now it's very clear and very simple. When we have to find out the rate of increment of volume with respect to radius, then ddr of V, that is ddr, V means 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 4 by 3 pi taking as a constant, and the derivative of r cube will be equal to 3r square. 3r square, 3 is cut by 3. Now this is 4 pi, r means 10 square, that is 10 guys, square of 10 will become 100, 100 into 4, 400 pi centimeter per cube per centimeter. With respect to radius है, this is the dV by dr and requisite answer of the question. Now in question number 10, a ladder is leaning against a wall. Ladder means सीढ़ी leaning against the wall. AB is a ladder 5 meter long. This is 5 meter long. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along with the ground, meaning either in this direction is pulled at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. This, if we put this x and this y, then by virtue of property of right angle triangle, we will have a relation between x and y, that is x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. The question says against this dx by dt, rate of increase of the distance of ladder from the wall, that is x, dx of dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? This is 4 meter away from the wall. ये this distance है, ये 4 meter away from the wall. Then by virtue of right angle triangle, this y will be equal to y equal to under root 5 square minus 4 square, that is 25 minus 16, that is root 9, means y is equal to 3 centimeter. Distance of wall from the ground, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So in the question that how fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter? How fast the height of the ladder is decreasing? In fact, in virtual fact, you see that when ladder slip along the ground, then the upper part of the ladder, that's A, will slowly down to the ground point. Hence it will decrease, and here in this question we have find out the rate of decrease with respect to t, and here already we have given dx by dt, rate of increase of this length, any distance from the lower part of the ladder from the ground point at junction is given, this rate is given by 2 centimeter per second. Hence if we differentiate with respect to t, then this will be 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt, and derivative of 5 square means 0. Derivative of 5 square means 0, and this dx by dt it's given 2x means 4, dx by dt means 2 plus 2y means 3, and dy by dt, we will have right here dy by dt 2 3 dy by dt is equal to 0. Now 2 4 2 is equal to 16 plus 2 3 6 dy by dt is equal to 0, or 6 dy by dt is equal to minus 16, or dy by dt is equal to minus 16 upon 6, 2 8 जा 16, 2 3 जा minus 8 by 3. Minus sign here indicates that the rate of decreasing, although the question is at what rate of decrease, so this answer will be positive 8 by 3 centimeter per second, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. इसे प्लस भी लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि दिस इज द रेट ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग, एंड इन फ्रेश वे if you don't know whether this decrease or increase, by virtue of and conditional of the question, virtually the upper part of the ladder will decrease, and also mathematically we have proved that this is minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Hence this will be the correct answer of. Thank you for watching this video. In next turn we will solve the next question of the base of application of derivative. If you have a clear concept in your mind, I will appeal to subscribe the channel and like. Thank you.